Hello everyone, welcome to Isha Wisdom channel. Here is the process of photosynthesis video which I had explained in very easy way. First of all, photosynthesis, in the word photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means to make. So the both combination of these two word photosynthesis, light, photo means light and synthesis means to make. Photosynthesis is very important process for all of us because through this process we get food, oxygen from plants. So what is the definition? It is very easy process and in very easy format I had explained it. So definition, what is the definition of photosynthesis? The process through which green plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. फोटोसिंथेसिस एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसमें ग्रीन प्लांट खुद का खाना खुद बनाते हैं इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. We will just make a rough diagram here. First of all, what happened? The plants get water, H2O, from the root, and through this root, through the stem, it provides the water to the leaves, and then plants absorb or trap the sunlight from the sun, and the chlorophyll, green pigment present in plant, trap this sunlight, and sunlight is essential for the process of photosynthesis. So in step 1, what did the plants do? They absorb the water through with the help of roots, and then this water is sent to the leaves through the stem, and then the sunlight, green pigment called chlorophyll present in leaves trap the sunlight, and CO2 is present in atmosphere. From the atmosphere, the carbon dioxide is taken through the small opening called stomata. Small opening in the leaves called stomata. And then through this full process in the presence of sunlight, plants combine water and carbon dioxide and make the food. And in this process, oxygen is given out. Oxygen is given out from the leaves of a plant. And then what is the process? तो फिर फर्स्ट प्रोसेस क्या है? एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ वाटर. रूट्स क्या करते हैं? रूट्स वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं, वाटर एंड मिनरल्स को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं फ्रॉम द सॉइल, एंड देन दे सेंड देम टू द लीव्स थ्रू स्टेम. मीन्स रूट एब्जॉर्ब द वाटर and minerals. Here see, roots absorb the water and minerals from the soil and send them to the leaves through the stem, and then in next step taking in the carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide which is present in air is taken by leaves through this small opening called stomata. Stomata जो है small opening leaves में वो carbon dioxide को take in करती है. And then third step is trapping sunlight. जो ग्रीन पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट होता है लीव्स में उसे हम क्लोरोफिल बोलते हैं, वो सनलाइट को ट्रैप करता है. द ग्रीन पिगमेंट प्रेजेंट इन लीव्स ट्रैप द सनलाइट. देन स्टेप 4 इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फूड यूजिंग सनलाइट एनर्जी. मीन्स इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सनलाइट प्लांट्स वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कंबाइन करके फूड बनाता है. Plants combine the water and carbon dioxide to make glucose. That means only a food. And when this process is done, the oxygen is released. During this process, oxygen is produced and released into the air. Means 5 steps are there. First step is absorption of food, absorption of water. पहले तो water का absorption होता है और फिर carbon dioxide taken होता है, और then trapping of sunlight. And then in the presence of sunlight, food is made. Food is prepared. Water and carbon dioxide is combined to make the glucose and oxygen is released. And then what is the importance? Photosynthesis क्या importance क्या है? Photosynthesis provide करता है food first of all for plants, and then photosynthesis produce oxygen which is very essential for living being. Without oxygen हम तो कुछ भी नहीं है. And photosynthesis maintain भी करता है, maintain balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in nature. And then फोटोसिंथेसिस इज ओनली द प्रोसेस विच इज सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर ऑल द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म। और फिर ये फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस में प्लांट्स क्या क्या रिक्वायर करते हैं, तो वो है सनलाइट, वाटर, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड क्लोरोफिल। एंड हियर इज द इक्वेशन हाउ the food is produced and oxygen is given. So carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight, glucose and oxygen is prepared.